Now for something powerful, the Nusselt number, symbol Nu, named after Wilhelm Nusselt, pioneer of heat transfer theory. What does it tell us? This is the number for convection heat transfer. It answers the question, how much better is convection at transferring heat than compared to pure conduction through the same fluid layer? Nu equals the convective heat transfer divided by the conductive heat transfer. The formula, Nu equals H times L divided by K, where H is the convective heat transfer coefficient, W per meter squared K, L is the characteristic length, K is the thermal conductivity of the fluid. Physical interpretation, Nu equals 1, convection provides no enhancement, only conduction is happening. Nu equals 10, convection is transferring heat 10 times more effectively than pure conduction. Nu equals 100, convection is 100 times better than conduction. In most industrial applications, Nu ranges from 2 to several thousand. Why is this so important? Because we want to find H, the heat transfer coefficient, to design heat exchangers, cooling systems, everything. Nusselt number correlations, based on experiments, let us calculate Nu, and from Nu, we can find H. Example correlation, Nu equals 0.023 times Re raised to the 0.8 times Prandtl raised to the 0.3. For turbulent pipe flow. Quick check, dimensionless, H watts per meter squared K times L meters divided by K watts per meter K, units cancel out.